One of the biggest aspects that we're working on right now is Express Install, which is what we have behind us, right? And what we're solving for is a huge problem that we're seeing specifically in small places, small spaces, and meeting rooms that are kind of in that huddle area where there's just a lot of complexity, right? And when customers are trying to plan for what that deployment looks like, they don't want to have to talk about knocking down walls or being handed a hard hat when they're going through the planning. Right. So maybe you can talk a little bit about what that solves and how we are solving that issue.
Yeah. So Express Install started as actually a joint project with our own IT group. Microsoft Digital is what they're called. And they came to us and said, look, our budget is fixed. We're not going to get more money. We're spending an awful lot of money building data centers.
Right.
We're not going to spend it on internal. But we're being asked to outfit a lot more rooms because every space now can be used for online meetings, for offline meetings where you want AI-driven note-taking. So what can we in the product group do to help us, the Microsoft IT folks, get eyes, ears, and a brain in every space? And by the way, half to 3/4 of the cost is not the Teams room.
Right.
It's putting in the Teams room and running wiring, getting permits, getting, everything else around getting it installed. So we looked at that and said, what if, working with our partners, we could put everything needed in one box, cables, everything.
Yeah.
And you could plug it in, connect it to the network, and whether it's using autopilot or zero-touch provisioning for Android, you could be up and going in minutes instead of hours or days.
Right.
And that's what, together with you, and really mostly thanks to you, we now have with Express Install. So Express Install is a kit where a customer says, here's what size of room I have, and then everything they need is in one box. And so now you can send a much lower cost IT person or vendor,
right,
and tell them, look, just get it out of the box, connect it all up, plug it in, and then you can leave.
Yeah.
And the rest is all in the software.
Because it's a paradigm shift. It's not necessarily a novel idea, but packaging and putting a bow on it is, right?
Yes.
And then from there, what happens is you create the standardization, which at first might not sound sexy, but it's the most attractive thing in the room when you're trying to live without the standardization.
I'll tell you, the 50 to 75% savings per room, that gets IT sexy. That is finance sexy at IT sexy.
That raises eyebrows.
Yes.
Well,
and by the way, I will say one of the things I announced in my keynote, what we want to do is keep sort of getting up the stack, as an IT term, which is to say, do more and more for customers who start thinking about expanding room deployments. So one of the things I announced now in public preview is Room Builder. So customers can go into the management portal, can go on our devices site and say, look, I have rooms of this size, and here's how many of them I have. And we will show them Express Install options. And if they say, this is the one I want, they get literally give this SKU number to your distributor, or even order direct.
So it's a config tool.
It's a config tool that is meant to simplify and give you recommendations for something that is also simplified and turnkey.
Okay. And it is fair to assume that Logitech is at the top of all those recommendations.
It is right there in the catalog, absolutely.